So we are at Subway because
We about to
it it's familiar territory, and I got me a veggie patty. It's okay. Stephanie, what did you get?
a cold cut.
A cold cut. And what did you get?
Tuna fish stuff.
Okay.
And
I should have got tuna.
tea.
Okay. So we
They
just sitting here
They got some
relaxing,
homemade juices over there or something. They're good too.
Much
eating. Trying to get
I
our
must have
strength
been
up
get-
because
I must
this
have
been a
been getting
long
ready to
day.
pass out.
Yeah.
I didn't eat, and then the plane is nervous and
So Stephanie, how was your experience on the plane again?
not bad. But
That-
I was asleep most of the time. Sleep most of the time. Maybe a couple of bumps, but my nerves.
Okay, Stephanie revealed to us after we all kind of like had a kumbaya moment, that she and like 6 other people was on that whole flight to New Orleans.
That really would freak me out off top.
I'm just like, so this got to be a setup or something. Ain't nobody else coming.
The number 7, y'all, if you're into numerology, Stephanie said it was about 7 people, including her, on this plane, the whole plane.
So where everybody at?
And this was her first time flying
I was just like,
by herself.
Snakes on the plane. The first thing I would have thought about was snakes. Snakes on the plane. That movie when they don't have too many people on there, all them snakes coming out.
But anyway, it worked out.
But I can guarantee that I will never go on another siblings trip booking my plane ticket
Mm-hmm.
when y'all don't book your. I mean, no,
Mm-hmm.
I couldn't even look back at nobody. The dude was laughing at me. I was just like, see. It's just a different feeling, but I definitely want to do it again.
You always want to fly once you say
Well,
you're gonna do it again.
the point is, if you want to go somewhere, you gotta fly if it's too far. Like,
Yep.
if you want to go Hawaii, guess what? You got to get your butt on a plane.
Facts.
If you trying to do it up and go to Paris or whatever, you got to get on a plane.
Yeah, I'll be visiting Cali next year. I think I'm gonna go stay at Venice Beach for about a month. You can get a extended stay for about $2,000 for a whole month, and I don't care about that too much, but $2,000 a month is very good for out there in that type of area.
Facts.
So I will be going to Venice Beach next year. Yes, then after that I want to go to Africa to visit my roots. And
Which roots?
my roots, African roots.
Your African roots.
I got a little 2% of African roots.
2% African?
2%. I
Okay.
got some Mexican roots too and Haitian. Last time I checked.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to go visit those people over there. I really want to go to the poor area. I want to see what it's like, and I want to go to the area that practices different religions and things like that.
Mm-hmm.
So
The food, the hospitality.
yes, I would love to go there.
Okay.
No, I want to go anyway.
Yeah, so, like I said, we just hit up the Subway, getting our strength back, because it's been a long travel day. It's been a lot of hurdles.
No,
Going
seriously.
through hurdles,
Seriously.
going under the hurdles.
pulling up down.
Mm.
You used to see Stephanie coming up under. I said, Lord have mercy.
Now, Stephanie, how did that all... Okay, I'm going to be serious right about now. I'm being serious.
I'm weak.
No, listen, I'm being serious.
No shit.
You were meant to be on this trip.
I know.
Everything under the sun
Tried to stop you.
was a blockage.
Mhm.
It was an obstacle course.
No, seriously, now that I think
So
about
the point is, whatever
Everything
and
you
this is
did was wrong.
whatever was the intentions of you not being on a trip, it didn't work.
I'm here, and we're here.
It didn't work. At the end of the day, it is what it is. You were supposed to be on this trip, okay?
Like, everything worked
Because
according.
I'm gonna tell you one thing. That I've learned. You can't trust everybody, and everybody you think is for you is not for you. And sometimes it'll be the closest people to you. I had to learn the hard way, but at the same time, it's a learning lesson. Trust thyself.
Facts.
I don't give a damn who you are. Trust your own self. So with that being said, I'm gonna eat another potato chip.
So there you have it.
There you have it.
So the weather was perfect. The weather will remain perfect the entire time we're here. Sunshine, blue skies.
And it's windy because the buildings keep it cool. You
Yeah.
notice that? It keeps the sun out.
That's just the word I'm trying to look for right now. Hey Dina Weena. Hey
Dina on there
Dina Weena.
She's on there now.
Yeah.
Tell us say hello.
You
Hey
tell.
Dina. Hi Dina, how are you? It's been a long time, sweetheart. Love you and I miss you.
Hi, Dina. Kisses, honey. After these chips bang, or we was just starving.
We starving.
They ain't all that good. They good.
I mean, this veggie patty ain't all that, but it's tasting really good right now.
So the veggie patty, what comes in it? What, tofu?
I think, yeah, soy, which is tofu,
I don't like tofu.
and they season it.
I don't like that.
She says, "Hey, pretties."
Oh, what's up? What's up? Thanks for the compliment, baby. You know I'm getting up there, so I gotta try to keep it together, you know, a little bit at a time.
Thanks, Dina. Look, get on up there. Push, knocking on 30, girl.
So good.
I know, right? Wait a minute.
Oh, shit. I had to think about that shit.
I'm knocking on 30.
I'm knocking on 50.
Well, I be. Hey, how you doing?
I'm knocking on 50.
Wow. Stephanie was just a little girl with ponytails,
Yeah.
and
Right,
now
my
she's
kitchen
knocking
up.
on 30. That means I'm knocking on 40.
Yeah, she was just a little girl with ponytails, and her and Devontae decided to have breakfast. When I told them not to touch the stove,
And the fire.
they caught the kitchen, whole kitchen on fire. I was so mad,
Me
I
and
don't know what. I had to call Chris to go get them kids, because I know if I would have went on home, I was going to jail. I was going straight to jail, so I stayed at work.
How did you find
But
out that
anyway,
we caught the house on
now
fire?
that she's almost 30, I know I'm old. Something happened. I know I'm old.
Mom.
Come on.
Who's that?
Well, anyway, we're gonna end this Facebook Live for now. Thanks for watching, Dina Weena.
Thank you.
Tell my little munchkins I said hello. Love you. Bye.